Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up the Run dialog in your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, a couple different ways to do it. First way, you could just right click on the Start button and select Run. So just go ahead and left click on that. At this point, type in whatever command you want to type in here or file path, and then select OK, and it should take you right there. Alternatively, you can also go and search through the magnifying glass feature here. So select the magnifying glass and just type in run. Best match should go back to run, listed directly above app. Go ahead and open that up. And then again, it should open up the run dialog window here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.